A very good morning class 6 students. I hope you all are fine and doing good. Today we are going to do English grammar, and today we are going to do chapter number 17, that is nouns for people and professional. In the last class we have done, in the previous class we have done about the nouns of different shape and sizes. Yes or no? So today we are going to I am going to teach you about the nouns for people and professional. So nouns, what is a noun? A noun is the name of the person, place, thing, size, shape, everything. Yes or no? So it is the name of the person, place, everything. Yes or no? So I have already informed you about this noun. I have already cleared about to you the definition about the nouns in the previous class. Okay. So today I am going to teach you about the people who does a different kind of work according to their levels, or according to their according to their education. Okay. So today I am going to teach you. Please take it out at page number 57. Okay. Now see here, students, very carefully see here. Page number 56. Page number 56, and what is there? Nouns for people and profession. That is chapter 7. Now see, there are so many people are there which work according to their own professional. Yes or no? Own professional. There are 54. Okay. Total there are how much? There are 54. So I am going to read out here. Number 1 is accountant. A person who keeps or check financial accounts. That means accountant means a person. These accountants are in every business sector. Okay, in the business sector, in the business size, and all, because accountants has to be kept in the bank, in everywhere, because they are the people who checks the financial accounts and all that, how much is been expended, how much has been loss, how much it has been profit. So these are the people who work according to keeps or checks the financial accounts, okay, of that particular business, or in bank, or in the office. Did you get it? Now next one is actor. ACT or actor. Everybody likes actor, to be actor. Yes or no? A person who acts in a play or film on a TV. Yes. Actor is one who always acts in the TV serials or in the pictures and all. Yes or no? We all like the actors. We want to be like an actor. Yes or no? Like dress up like him, make a hairstyle like him, like walk like him, talk like him. Yes or no? So these are the people who works in the film industry as well as in the TV. Okay, so that they can earn something, and they are known as a actor. Now let's go to the admiral. That means admiral means an official or a very high rank in the Navy. That means this person are very at the high rank. That means they are in the very high rank in the Navy department. Okay, Navy means what? Do you know what is Navy? Navy means the soldier who works in the ships and all. Did you get it? They are known as the Navy people. And now another is agent. Agent means look here. Agent means someone who deals with business for someone else. Agent. Okay. Like in in the Nepali we said no, dalal. Yes, like this only. Agent means the people who helps others, okay, to set up their business deal with others, okay, who helps others to set up their business deals with others, okay. Ambassador, that means an important person who goes to another country and works there for government for his or her for own country. Then ambassador is a person who is very important, who plays an important role, who is very important, and he goes outside the country to do his own country work or for other country work. Okay, they are known as the ambassador. Now another is architect, someone who makes plans for a new building. Okay, the sketch are being made. Yes or no? The sketch are being made in the big paper. Yes or no? According to the basic of that particular sketch, only the buildings or the house are made. Yes or no? So we call, in another name we call engineers also. Yes or no? The engineer do all these kinds of works and all. So another is artist, someone who paints, draw picture, etc. Professional singer, dancer, or actor. That means artist means a person who draw or pictures in a very proper way. Okay, because we people draw pictures. Yes, we draw a picture in the copy and all, but somewhere there are some of the people who is very professional about their art, about the drawing and all. They draw in a better way which we cannot do. Okay, for that also there is a lot of course to be done. Yes, a lot of things to be done. How to make a drawing, how to be an artist. It is a very tough work also. Okay, if you compare with others. Now another is author, a person who writes book. Yes, author is a person who writes the book like stories, poems and all. Okay, so these are the people who writes about the story, about the basic life, about the true life, about their own journey of the life. So these are the people who works about the book sector. Now baker. We have been studying from since class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4, class 5. What is a baker? A baker is a person who bakes or sells bread and cakes. That means bread बनहरु बनाउने के चाहिँ केक्सहरु बनाउनेलाई चाहिँ के भन्छ बेकर भन्छ जुन चाहिँ तिमीहरुले चाहिँ अहिले जयगाउँमा पनि पाउँछौ Did you get it? Understand? The person who make breads and sells cakes and all, they are known as a baker. Now another is barber. Barber means baba हैन नि barber. Barber means the person who cuts your hair. When your hair is too long, yes or no? When your hair is too long, they cut your hair, yes or no? They are known as a barber. In Nepal we say hajam, yes or no? Now another is broker, someone who acts as middleman in buying and selling. That means broker means just like if I want my property to be sold, yes or no, to be sold at the amount price what I need, then we have to find the broker. Then he will find other people who want to buy the particular land. That is known as a broker. Okay, that is known as a broker. Like we say that dealer bani bhannu sakcha, yes or no? And when the land is being given to somebody, when you sold the land with the help of the broker, you have to give some amount of money to the broker. Okay, this is the one. Now a butcher means a person who cut meat and sell the meat. Okay, understand? Masu betne manchela ke huncha butcher bhancha. Now another is carpenter. Okay, now don't remember about the khichiri film. Carpenter means car ma baseर paint गर्ने हैन नि फेरि. Don't remember about the khichiri film. Okay, carpenter means a person who make furnitures. Okay, like desks, bench and all, that's known as a carpenter. Okay, did you get it? Now another is a cashier, a person who receives and pays out money in the shop, bank, etc. That means cashier means a person who receives money and gives the money to the customer who has brought the check and all. Okay, instead of check you have to give the money. That is known as a cashier. Now coach, a person who gives special training in the games and sports. Yes. If you play football also, if you play basketball, if you play any kind of games, there is a coach. There is always one person who looks after you and teach you how to play, how to do running and all. That is known as a coach. Okay. Now another is a chef. Someone who main cooks in hotel and restaurants. Chef is a person who cook delicious food, delicious items in the restaurants and in the hotels and all. Okay. Now chemist, a manufacturer or the dealer in the chemicals or drugs. That means a person who are engaged in the chemicals and drugs. Okay, that means who sell medicine and all, they are called as a chemist. Okay. Now another is cobbler. Cobbler la चाहिँ नेपालीमा के भन्छ मोची भन्छ. बुझ्नु न? Cobbler means someone who makes or repairs shoes. Okay. Dentist means दाँत देखाउने. अब जस्तै हाम्रो दाँत दुख्यो भने where we go to the dentist, yes or no, to take out that teeth, okay, which has been eaten by the insect inside our teeth, yes or no. Now detective, someone who examines crimes and catches criminals. Now if there is a murder in Jaigaon or in any school, there is a person who looks about the details, that how he has been murdered, how she has been murdered. That is known as a detective who work at the crime sector. Did you get it? Now editor, someone who edits something such as book, newspaper, articles or film before it's been printed or shown. Then editor means this editor works in the book sector also, in the film sector also. If they doesn't like the scene of the film, they cut that scene and they just join that another scene with other. Okay. And in the book also, while writing a book, if we do not like the books and all, we just cut that, yes or no, we just cut some of the sentence and we just rejoin that some, that is known as a editor, and known as a editor. Okay, now another is electrician. Electrician means one who works in the electric, with the electric wires and all, with the household wires and all. Okay, so these are the peoples I have said you of a few of them. There are so many peoples who work according to their duties and all, according to their professional. Okay, so students, go through that page number 56, chapter 17, nouns for different people and profession. Okay, so I hope you will understand all this one. If you don't understand, you can leave your message in class 6 group. Thank you so much, students.